What's up? Good morning, guys. How are we? Let's get to it, man. We're a minute 20 out from the close of Big Bar 26. And I'm excited, man. Let's get to it. We've got a nice bar on 26. You know, I'm looking at 26 and I'm thinking, yeah, you got that wick low of 8. Little trading range up here, but I like 26. Is it outsized? No, it's just above the ATR. We're 57 seconds out. And range so far here on this guy is 70. It's about time to get to it, man. Let's do it. All right. All right. 20 seconds. I like 26 so far. The stop limit sell ready. That bar is within reason. It's big, but it's within reason. All right, stop limit sell placed. Bears, you want it? Then I'll ride along. If you don't want it, man, I don't want you. Come on, you bears. Gotta get ready to pull it. There's 25 seconds, man. No fill, no trade. What's up with you guys this morning? How we doing, man? Doing well? All right, let's watch 27 here, see what we get. If we get another nice little bear body, even better. Even better. Give me a nice close. ATR 49. I like 49 on the ATR. Keep an eye on this 2-minute chart here. We're 30 seconds out on 66. And it's popping. Back to the 5. Come on, you bears. Bring that thing lower. I need a clean close. There we go. 2 minutes! Oh, we love it. Come on, Bears, hold it down. This has been the problem. Give me a nice, beautiful close beneath the wick low of 8. And I'm ready to rock. All right, ATR 52. Range on this bar so far, maybe 45. It can grow a bit, and I'm cool. Come on, you bears, do it to him. Fade it. That wick low of 8 is a problem. You see this? 30 seconds, copy trader engage. Let's pop on over. Pop on over and see. Oh, you bunch of baby bears. Come on now. Fade it! Oh, they're gonna close this thing right inside. All right, 28. In the meantime, should we? Should we do it? Should we hop over to the 2 minute? That's 68. Big wick up top. Range is still within reason. It'd have to grow a bit to get us beneath the wick low of 67 with a clean close. Still would put us around 1 ATR, which is 29 on the 2 minute chart. You have 30 seconds out here on the 2. Keep an eye on it. All right, bears. I don't hate that. Boom! Place him, get a fill. Stop goes up top. Take it down, bears, lower. There you go, ATR 29. It is down through 24.5. Got a whole mess of work to do, bears. Keep that pushing. I don't mind that. Keep it moving. I do mind that, bears. Come on now. Oh, there you go. There you go. 50 seconds left here on bar 69, here on the 2 minute. I'm looking for a full ATR out of this scalp. Got me to what? I saw 24 flash. Actually, more like 25 in the money. Can't move my stop on 69. Huge wick. I need that full ATR. So I got what? 25 points in the money. I need at least 30 now, like 28, 29. Give it to me, bears. Come on now. Sitting right at 24.5. Fade that son of a gun. All right, Bulls. You can have your fun. That's all right. Fun's over, Bulls! Give me a full ATR minimum. Matter of fact, dump this thing through the low and hunt that stop with a wick low of 1 low a day. Give me a whole bunch of slippage. Trying to work back down through 24.5 here. Come on, Bears, you bunch of babies. Keep it pushing. Yeah. That's what I thought. ATR 29. There's the rollover into the open of 72. Oh, there you go. Beauty. Full ATR scalp. Look at that drop. Let's find out what happened there, huh? If anything. Let the copier flatten. We are flat. 3,000 bucks. Let's keep it moving, man. Look at that dump, huh? Now, what a lot of people might say to themselves if they take that trade, they say, fuck, I should have held it. It dumped further. That something happened. Something just happened that's approximately 50-50, which is why I stay exposed. You take profit at your predetermined point if you have time to do so. Otherwise, your limit order will take care of it and you move on with your life. All right. Oh, shit. I'm going to get yelled at. Update the trade count. And keep it pushing. Well, what do you say? Should we head back to the 5-minute? Because I think we just took out the low a day, didn't we? What in the world? This is crazy. What a push, man. All right, now, here's the thing. ATR is currently on the 5-minute chart, 55.56. By the way, what's up, guys? I feel like we got right into it today. How are we? We skipped the small talk and get right to fucking producing. 47 seconds out. The thing on bar 29 here is that if we do get a nice clean close, it's the first bar right below the low of day, which is the wick low of 1, which was just the stop hunt. Is it outsized? I don't know. I mean, if you're uncomfortable with it, then skip it. But the main thing here is that it's the first bar closing after the stop hunt, which you guys know I tend to avoid that first bar right after the stop hunt because big trading ranges can certainly and often will become a thing after a break of that stop hunt. So if I'm going to get short again, it better be on the next bar, bar 30, if 29 is reasonable. You see this? Closed right inside the wick low of 1. That's a little bit insecure, maybe. So that push, not the whole push, but the push that we got while I was in that trade downside, that's probably coming from this headline. It says Iran's parliament speaker posts on X saying no negotiations have been held with the US. Fine. To me, that means market goes down. Price action shows a temporary negative effect. Who cares what the headline is? We care about what price is doing. All right, bar 30. Now, in the meantime, I am going to head back to the 2. And you see 73 closing. Do you see that? You can't see the wick low 1. There you go. Closing just barely inside the wick low 1. To me, that's the bears being a little insecure. A little bit. So let's watch 74, ATR 36. Oh shit, it's growing on the 2-minute. It's getting bigger on the 2. And this here would be the first bar, even on the 2-minute, closing beneath the low of day, the previous low of day, right? Which is the wick low of 1, or was the wick low of 1, now is the current bar. Which, if I'm gonna take that, what I would call early trade, I'd like to do it on the 2, because the range on the bar, meaning my risk, and the distance I needed to go to hit take profit is both going to be a little tighter, which makes me more comfy with the early trade. Because if I'm going to be right, I can be right a little bit quicker, and if I'm going to be wrong, it keeps the damage tighter. So let's just see here how we close up on 74. I better get this ready. That's going to close beneath the wick low of 73, which is also going to be beneath the wick low of 1. Just barely. So I'll take it if the bears want it, and they do. Place my stop right at 37. All right, now let's see if the bears can take us down through, or if this turns into a big trading range. If this turns into a big trading range, then we know. Meaning the whole day's range, but I like that setup to see if the bears can get a bit more here. ATR 35. Again, this is a 2-minute NQ chart. We'll head back to the 5 right after this. There you go. ATR 37. And this is meant to be a bit more of a scalp. Take it through, bears. There's the rollover into the open of 76, close of 75. Yeah, bull's trying to take it back up. So far at best, it's been about, what, 24 points in the money? A little shy. Come on, Bears, give me one more little show of confidence here. ATR on the 2 here is 34. Yeah, it's a little frustrating. Bears took me 24 points. Let's see what they got. Just a tad more of a fade here, Bears. See, when you start getting this, remember I was talking about that trading range? That's the primary concern here. Yeah, Bears just shy. Just shy of what I needed, man. Come on now. Take one more run at it. There you go. ATR now sitting 37. There's the rollover into bar 78 here on the 2. Starting to look a bit more and more like a range here. We don't love that, do we? All right, Bears. Just need one honest run at it, and then you can range all you want. There's the rollover into 79. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Bears take out the wick low of 75. You had all the confidence in the world, man. We're not going to stand in the corner now. Bears. Oh man. What you got, Bulls? Do it, Bears. Fade it. All right, there's the open of 80. I think the Bulls got us. Cut it above 74. Let's head back to the, well, first update the trade count. Head back to the 5. That's too bad. It had me in the money. Damn close. All right, let's head back here. All right, let's see what 32's got. Now, this is where you gotta wonder. Do we come back in range all day? Or do we go into a soft bear channel and hit it all late morning? Maybe all afternoon. Jesus. Okay. God, this giant candle from this morning is messing my charts up. Okay, 32 closing inside the open, and the wick high, of course, of bar 30. So we watch 33. Okay. So we're 315 out here from the close of 33 on the 5. And I gotta pay attention to 33 here. All right, minute 45. Hmm. $15 seconds. See if the bulls can pop this thing. I don't know. We got that wick high of 32. Inside close, gotta pass. All right, we'll watch 34. Bear's trying to take it back down toward the low, the wick low of 30. All right, I'll be right back. What's up? Welcome back. And we are 12 seconds out. Whoa, got a fuzzy in my ear. We are about to roll over here into 36. Let's see what we get. Probably gonna take out that low, of course, and then sit back in range. There you go, take out the wick low of 35. Let's just see if we end up ranging here, or if we end up turning this into a big cocky bear channel. Bear's trying, man. 36 growing. Alright, I'm sitting on a 2-minute. A lot happening on the 2-minute, man. Sitting waiting on the 5-minute all day. At the wick low of 88, let's see if 89 can do anything. Ooh, it's close, so I'm gonna watch it with a limit order. Yeah, nothing. Nothing in there on 89. Back to the 5. Alright, ATR on the 554. All right, 30 seconds out. Bar 36, growing. Range on it, under 80 points. Little over 80 points now. ATR 58. Now, since this thing is growing, I am going to watch this. Okay, there we go. Now I got time. Place him for the rollover and see if the bears want to take him out. I want to see if we're just going to get another one of these. Then that tells me soft bear channel. 13 seconds. All right, nothing. Pull it. All right, we've got 37 here, rolling over to 38 here on the 5-minute. NQ charts. Let's see what we get. 37 inside close. Inside 36. Alright, so I'm watching this, and all I'm thinking is, do we end up ignoring these two bars and doing this, or does this turn into a bigger, longer-lived soft bear channel? I think those are the two big what-ifs right now. Well, I gotta tell you, I mean, ATR on the 5 is holding up. Now down a tad. We were at 57, down to 52, but still above 50 is huge this time of day. Well, this, I gotta tell you, to me, at least on the 2, it's gonna start forming on the 5 here as long as it maintains. Big soft bear channel. I just need a little better way to make the math work here. A little more confidence here out of these bulls, man. Oh, you bulls. Yep, give me that. Fade those sons of guns. 67 and a quarter. There's a bet on the soft bear channel. By the way, that goes for the 5-minute chart. Also, it's just easier to see on the 2. You see this? So stay here. And give this trade some time. ATR 51. Definitely one that could take a bit more time here. Trump's got his initial comments out of the way, by the way. So hopefully he's not feeling bomb droppy in the middle of in the middle of it. We've got plenty of those already here today. Question here, any tips on reversals? Just getting into it recently. So me with reversals, the biggest thing that I would ever say is don't be too quick to be fooled that the reversal is a breakout rather than some sort of channel or trading range. Because most of the time, not every time, but most of the time, big reversals after trends happen after trading ranges rather than like a V-shape or A-frame shape recovery. That goes right back to the 80% of when the market's in a trading range, 80% of breakout attempts will eventually, keyword, fail. All right, there's the rollover to bar 41. All right, ATR here sitting at 52. Come on now, Bears. Fade that thing lower. Big ol' soft bear channel, man. All right, now, Bears. ATR 52. If you're just joining us, I'm on a 5-minute NQ chart. And just taking a bet here on that soft bear channel. Got plenty of room for me to hit target here. Need these bears to cooperate a tad. Well, Bears, come on now, you goofballs, get lower. ATR 49.50-ish. Bears taking their time. But remember, we said this trade might take its time. There you go, Bears. It's a little bit better. Gonna need quite a bit more than that. No fill! Leave it out for a second, see if the Bears want to take it. Oh, at some point here soon I gotta pull it, stay exposed, but they're so close. There we go, they'll take my 1 ATR. Alright, good. Moving on here. There's trade number 3. Back in the green. Now, usually I like to stay exposed as much as I can. They were so damn close. Just leave that out for a little longer, let them take it. That's okay. Alright, 3 trades in. Man, if you haven't yet, hit like on the stream, or dislike, big dog, whatever you're into. I appreciate you doing so. Either or. AB, appreciate you, big dog. Yes, sir. We're live daily, man. Every day. Alright, now we gotta see. With the Bears having so much trouble right in the middle of that soft bear channel, kind of right where I took profit, now I'm curious. Do we turn this into a sideways range? Maybe flatten out and then the bulls eventually try to take us back higher? Or do the bulls just give way and we go right back to the soft bear channel? That would be good. That would be good. That would give me some more trades to take sooner. All right, 345 out here from the close of 43. We'll watch how this bar closes up. I closed out, big dog. Can't be looking away. 5,400 bucks on that last trade. Been closed for minutes. Now we gotta see what happens here, man, because I'm a little bit concerned they try to take this thing sideways into a range. We need the bulls to give way here soon. All right, watching 43. The wick low of 42, the wick high of 43, basically meeting the wick high of 42. 43 has me a little bit concerned that we're going to range sideways. And getting caught too often in sideways ranges with continuation trades can flip ya from a positive P&L guide to break even or losing. So you got to be careful. Just to see how this gave way so quickly and this one's really hesitating. I'm a little bit concerned of a big sideways range. So prove me wrong, Bears. Let's go. All right, C43 closing right just barely inside the wick low of 42. It's no coincidence. I think those bears are a tad nervous. Just a tad. I'm currently flat, for those of you guys wondering. I just took a scalp to the short side, took profit on it maybe 5-10 minutes ago. So I'm 3 trades in on the day, sitting up 4,000 bucks. So remember we said I'm a little concerned that this thing goes sideways before taking out the wick low of 36? This soft bear channel turns into a sideways range. Just taking it slow right now. When something slaps me in the face, I'll get in. Again, if you're just joining us here, I'm 3 trades in. I'm doing okay so far. Kind of slow on the 2-minute chart compared to not too long ago, so we'll head back to the 5. Rig, what's up, brother? Good to have you. Big dog. You see this? Sideways trade range. I'm telling you, I think that's where we're headed unless you know, we get news or unless one way definitely gives way. Kind of out of the blue hard, but I think sideways, man. Take it easy. Let the trade come to you. And then when it does, hit it. No fear. No fear. Accept the outcome, move on. Yep, currently you guys are looking at the 5-minute NQ. And that single lonely line out there, which we don't use too much, but it comes into consideration sometimes. That's a 20 exponential moving average. Pretty popular, self-fulfilling prophecy, that's it. Bottom of the barrel as far as coming into consideration for me. Trade price action RAM around here. Alright, while this thing ranges, I'm gonna go grab some more coffee. I'll be right back! Don't you go anywhere. What's up? How we doing? Welcome on back in this market. Big sideways range. Don't get caught up. Don't fall for it. People always say, I got chopped up today, man. What the fuck? No, you got stuck betting on ranges. Betting on, what I should say is betting on breakouts and ranges over and over and over again. Some days, man, I do it too sometimes. You'll find yourself, you're like 2 trades in, you're like, oh shit, in hindsight, this thing's just a big sideways range. I was betting on breakouts. 80% chance that they eventually fail. No shit. I lost both trades. That's hindsight talking. But then stop doing that and reassess the context. Right? Context. Tier number 1 for a reason within RAM. You start having problems when you do it 14 times in a row before you start reassessing context. Numbers under the candles, they're not under just the red candles. The numbers, guys, super simple. It counts every other bar from the New York Open. Everyone here is from a different part of the world. Time zones are an absolute nightmare. It just helps us all be on the same page. And I also have it up there for the tomb because I do a talk every day. And people will say, hey, Nico, I don't know, I shorted 26. What do you think? Rather than saying, hey, I live in this part of the world, change it for your time zone. Like, that's just a pain in the ass. Alright, so we got a big sideways range here. Again, previously, the last trade that I took was a bet on this soft bear channel. I got short on one of these bars, I think. 40, 41, I forget. I think it was 40. And now I'm a little bit concerned that we end up in a sideways range here. And by concerned, I mean let's just be patient. Sideways ranges, especially when they're tight, some of the hardest conditions in the market to find any kind of meaningful edge, positive expected value. So just chill out. Chill out a little bit. All right, I think it's time for a new poll here. We're gonna run a flash poll. That means I'm only gonna leave this thing live for a couple of minutes because we need answers quick from you guys. Otherwise, you end up with too much hindsight bias and we don't learn anything. All right, flash poll. You got a couple of minutes. Get your vote in. All right, so far here we got about 66% bearish. Interesting. Okay. See if that evens out a little bit as the sample size gets bigger. Bar 47 here. Let's see if we can close beneath bar 46. Got 4.5 minutes left still. We got time. Oh man, we taking out that low a day. Bar 36, wick low 36 here on the 5-minute NQ. Bears are itching to take out that low a day. And even if they do, let's see if the bulls take it right back into the sideways trading range. Jonathan, what's up, brother? Doing well, my man. All right, end the flash poll here. 61% of you guys think NQ's going lower from here. So does that mean we should full port the long side? All right, let's see if the bears take out the low a day here. Week low at 36. You know you got some stops down there. Question is how many? Yeah, that's right, man. At least we're not at 25,000. 25,000, oh goodness. Don't get me started. I didn't sleep for 2 weeks. Having night terrors, waking up at 3 a.m. Dreaming about 25,000 on NQ. God, you get glued to that number, kills volatility. Joe, do you only trade structure? I trade price action. RAM, to be particular. Yeah. Yes, 20,000 was also a nightmare. It wasn't even that long ago, which is crazy. 20,000 and 25,000, both nightmares for a few weeks. Wasn't that bad. We did fine, but you know, the volatility dies. It's just boring trading. You know those couple of weeks you get stuck around an S-tier level and you sit back in your chair for 3 hours a day and watch the market go up and down 8 points? It's like, oh god. Oh god, so I wanted to be a day trader, huh? 3 trades so far on the day. Hey man, if you haven't yet, I appreciate you hitting like on the live stream. It does help out tremendously. All right, man. Bull's trying to take it right back up. Big sideways range like we talked about. Bear is unable to take out the wick low of 36. That's something else. I'm telling you, I think we got a sideways range here for a little while. Now at 47, taking out the wick low of 36, and then we fade and we get a small to moderate bull body in the upper third of what would be at that point a soft bear channel still. Then I'd be getting short, risking the wick high. Probably a 41 is probably what I'd pick, depending on how high we go with a small to moderate bull body. But we didn't. We couldn't even take out the wick low of 36. So rather than soft bear channel, I'm starting to think sideways range. Sideways range. Which means I got to be a little more selective. A little harder to find edge. You can find it. You can find it, but it's a little tougher. Makes your job not quite so simple. All right, let's check out the poll here. What have you made the most money trading? We got 65% of you saying futures, 20% stocks, 5 crypto, and 9 options. Yeah, so futures are just, they're just a beautifully designed intraday trading product. The fees, the commissions are so reasonable compared to what you get. The spreads are tight, assuming you're trading any kind of liquid instrument. You know, these things were designed. I mean, Chicago really did a fucking hell of a job. These things were designed for intraday trading and hedging. Effectively, right? We got a minute 6 out here till the close of bar 48 into the rollover of 49. Sideways, sideways, sideways range. Come on, you bears, slap this thing down. Let's go take out the wick low of 36. Turn this thing right back into a soft bear channel. Let's get back in the game here. Nathan says, killed it last night, was up 1,500 on each account. Big dog, lost it all this morning on those big 100-point bars after the big candle. So stupid, shouldn't have traded them. Oh, man. Yeah, well. These guys, huh? I mean, you know, Nathan, you know what I'm going to say, man, right? For me, there's the only trade, really, is the close of whatever this bar would be, the 645 bar. Even that, you could wait. That would still be an early trade. Did you not size down, Nathan? Man, high volatility environment, you gotta size down, dude. Way down. But don't beat yourself up. Don't do it. Just move on with your life. It's not worth it, I'm telling you. All you guys, you're gonna have some you're gonna have some crazy days that are awesome. Don't get too high. You're also gonna have some fucked up days. You look back, you're like, oh my God, who am I? What did I do? It's okay, dude. It's part of it. It's part of the growth period of this. It's part of your career. Now, those days are gonna happen less often as you get deeper and deeper and deeper, but don't beat yourself up, dude. You're not alone. We've all been there. And we've all been there on the extremes. The longer you go, the more extreme those days, the worst of them get. How do you size down from 1 micro? If you're trading 1 micro as your normal size, then if volatility gets really, really crazy, you just gotta hold off. It's okay. Let the market come back into where you're comfy. Okay, so we're a minute 50 out here from the close of bar 49, heading into the rollover into bar 50. This is a 5-minute NQ chart. If you're just joining us, I've taken 3 trades so far. I'm doing all right. I'm up about 4,000 bucks. But my biggest concern right now is that this market's going to head right into a sideways trading range. It's becoming even more of a concern here now that we have bar 49 popping a bit, testing the wick high of 40.41. We'll see if we end up in a sideways range here. And that's a change from the previous soft bear channel, that 47. You see bar 47? That's what those numbers are, by the way, if you're newer here. The numbers beneath the bars, it's counting the bars so we're all on the same page, regardless of time zone. Since the New York Open, okay? And this is a 5-minute NQ chart. Same thing on like a 2-minute chart, a 3-minute chart. It's just counting the bars from the New York Open. But we had a soft bear channel. I took a trade on that. I shorted bar, I think 40. Maybe it was 41, my entry, but I shorted one of those two. And I'm waiting to see if this thing retains its, sideways trading range, which gotta be disciplined in a sideways range. Got a little attempt at a breakout here. We'll see if that fails. Already, kind of failing, but we'll see. It needs more time. All right, Bulls trying, man. They're trying. Let's see if they can. Skeptic says I was like 5 points to my stop loss. Held it, stayed disciplined, hit my take profit, 74 points. Oh, baby. That'll happen. Listen, it's also going to happen the other way. You're going to have plenty of trades throughout your career. You get within 3 points, 1 point, 2 ticks of your set take profit. You know what you need to get to retain that edge, right? It's going to turn around, stop you out. Goes both ways. Don't focus only on the negative. It's going to happen to you. Statistically, you're going to have some of those weird ones, and that's okay. That's okay. Don't try to adjust everything you're doing to avoid that weird, painful trade that comes once in a blue moon, where it gets within 2 ticks of your take profit, turns around, stops you out. What people start doing is they start saying, I didn't like how that felt, so I'm going to take my profit early. You gotta understand, statistically speaking, that wasn't that high of a probability thing that was gonna happen. It's just going to happen sometimes. Same way, it's gonna get within a couple points, maybe a tick. You guys have seen it happen to me. Remember the miracle on Wall Street? You get within a tick of your stop loss, turn around, make 10,000. You conveniently forget about those, don't you? It works in your favor sometimes too. So just stay disciplined. That's all you can do. 310 out here to the close bar 50. All right, you see how 49 closed inside the wick high, a bar 40, 41? That's no coincidence. So now 50 would be the first bar closing outside that sideways range. And that's early. That is early, I gotta tell you. Not to mention, you know, at some point here, we got that 50% retracement point. You see this? You see this hesitation? All right, we got a minute 27 out. Let's see how bar 50 here closes. This hesitation is not surprising, right? Because 80% of these breakout attempts are going to eventually, it doesn't mean instantly, it means eventually, within reason, fail. Now, when they don't, and you get a couple of closes outside the trading range, that's when I'm convinced. And I'm like, okay, it's time for continuation. But here, this is not surprising. You get that wick. The bulls are going to get a tad insecure here. Bears are going to try. They're going to say, back to the range, man. Come on now. Ten seconds. See that? About half that bar is wick. It's relatively normal. So I gotta let this thing work out here on 51. All right, guys, I'll tell you what. Hey, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I'm live every single day. We'll see. Pretty decent Midas Monday, man. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go hit lunch. And we'll see what the afternoon brings, but I'm gonna go hit lunch and I'll be back live again tomorrow. All right, guys. See you soon. Hang in there, man. Stay patient. Don't fall for the early breaks of ranges. 80%, right? All right, guys. Stay disciplined. Let it come to you. See you tomorrow.